Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone looking for constructive feedback, you might be wondering, how can ChatGPT help critique a piece of artwork or design? Well, today we're diving into that exact topic. We'll explore different ways to prompt ChatGPT for detailed critiques, covering aspects like composition, color harmony, and storytelling elements in visual work. As always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and expert tips on getting the most out of AI critiques. Now, let's jump right in. One of the key areas of critique in any artwork or design is composition. The way elements are arranged affects balance, movement, and overall readability. Whether you're working on a painting, a digital illustration, or even a website layout, ChatGPT can help assess how effectively your composition guides the viewer's eye. So here's an example prompt we could use alongside like an artwork photo I will be showing you later on in a bit. Here it is. So let's say ChatGPT critique the composition of an artwork, for example, featuring a lone figure standing on a cliff, gazing at a sunset. Consider balance, focal points, depth, and movement. Provide suggestions to improve visual flow. Okay, let's whip up that photo right now. Okay, here it is right here. Just wait a bit moment. All right, it's already attached. So this is the photo right here. Oh, by the way, this is AI generated. I just did that earlier. Yep. So now that the photo of the artwork is attached to your prompt, let's send this off and see how ChatGPT interprets this composition and what kind of insights it offers. Okay, the artwork's right here. Prompt. Give it a moment to process. All right. So here it is, the breakdown. There we go. Focal point and balance, depth and perspective, movement and flow. Down here, suggestions for improvement, contrast and lighting, enhancing visual flow, and sky and cloud refinements, and final thoughts. Okay, the conclusion. Okay. Yep, this is quite a detailed breakdown, I must say. Okay, so let's check out a few of them. Okay, focal points and balance. Okay, let's read one of them. See, all right. So the placement of the figure follows the rule of thirds, drawing the viewer's eye to the most visually engaging area of the painting. Okay, that's one right here. Highlight rules of third. You know the nine squares when you take a photo, just to know which would position really well. No, you know that is. So depth and perspective, right here, the painting successfully conveys depth through the use of atmospheric perspective. The distant mountains fade into hazy orange and red tones, adding realism and a sense of vastness. Okay, that's another praise critique. Movement and flow. The sky features dynamic cloud formations, which create a sense of movement, sorry about that, reinforcing the emotion of the moment. Okay, so I think we did just right with the cloud formation. And let's read down here the suggestions for improvement. Okay, so it says adding more gradual transition between the foreground and background. Okay, could help guide the viewer's eye more fluidly. Okay, these are the ones. Detailed suggestions to add into the artwork. Contrast and lighting, cliff edges. Sorry about that with my microphone. Cliff edges could benefit from stronger rim lighting. Okay. Then sky and cloud refinements. Okay. Shape and motion could be slightly refined to create more intentional compositional flow. And here, final thoughts. Piece is well balanced and compositionally strong. Colors play a massive role in setting the mood of an artwork. Poor color choices can make a piece feel dull, while strategic contrast can make elements pop. Now, ChatGPT can offer feedback on whether your color palette enhances or hinders your artwork's effectiveness. Let's try this sample prompt, like this one. Okay, so I want ChatGPT to critique the color harmony and contrast in our artwork depicting a sunset over an ocean. Okay, here is the artwork example right over here. Just wait a bit. So, in addition, like analyze whether the colors complement each other, how effectively contrast is used, and suggest improvements to enhance visual appeal. Okay, here's the artwork. Suppose that mainly colors were highlighted, but let's see right over here. So, image prompt now attached in the prompt box. So let's end this off. Let's see what ChatGPT provides us with insights. Okay, scroll down and see how it goes. It says, let me process the image now. Okay, color harmony, warm versus cool balance, like red, orange, and pink, and cool ocean blues, gradient effect, sun's color choice, contrast analysis, okay, suggested improvements, final verdict, okay, here it is. So let's take a closer look. All right, just like I said, what I read here in the color harmony, this is the one I read over here, and also the sun color choice, just unconventional yet bold choice, okay. Contrast analysis, sky and ocean. Contrast, okay, warm sky, cool ocean, creating natural contrast that enhances the depth of the scene. Sorry about that. Okay, pink and red reflections on the water add movement and vibrancy. All right. Luminance levels rely more on color temperature contrast than on value contrast. Here are the suggested improvements that ChatGPT had provided us here, like add subtle gradients, I don't know how it pronounces, intend to create more depth, give sunlight a subtle glow or atmospheric diffusion, and secondary light source, like hints of yellow or peach tones. Okay, final verdict, although the suggested improvements successfully creates an atmospheric and visually appealing sunset scene. All right, that's some valuable insight there. Just adjusting contrast and saturation could help make the sunset glow more dramatically while keeping the ocean's colors balanced. All right. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Storytelling through art is what makes pieces truly memorable. Whether it's a painting, an illustration, or even a logo, every visual has the potential to tell a deeper story. So, how well is your piece conveying its message? Does it evoke the right emotions? Well, let's put ChatGPT to the test with this prompt right here. So, as you can see with my prompt, I want ChatGPT to critique, like I said, storytelling and emotional impact. So let's use the same artwork from the first segment, the previous segment, I must say. See, lone figure on a cliff at sunset. That matches with that artwork earlier. Let's use the same one right here. So, does the image effectively convey solitude and introspection? What elements enhance or weaken the emotional connection with the viewer? Well, let's see what are the insights that ChatGPT would generate for us. All right, let's send this off right now. Okay, there's the image, the prompt. Let's keep scrolling, and here it is. The process with it. Okay, ChatGPT lists down the strengths, areas for potential enhancement, and final verdict. Okay, simple as that. Let's check this out. For strengths, composition and perspective. Okay, emphasizes vulnerability and contemplation. Color palette and lighting. Warm hues of the sunset, deep oranges, reds, and yellows. Contrast with the darker shadows of the mountains and the figure. Interplay of light and dark add depth to the scene, evoking, symbolism, hope, and melancholy. Body language and silhouette. Right over here, we're here right now. Standing still at a precipice, right? Enhances the theme of introspection. Okay, anonymity, right? Silhouetted against the light allows the viewers to project their own emotions onto the scene. Okay, emotional impact. Okay, grandeur, yada, 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 intensifies the feeling of insignificance or contemplation about life's vastness. Classic theme in romantic art. Okay, here are the few bullet points for areas for potential enhancement, facial expression or gesture. Okay, so it wants us like to add like subtle movement, like slight lean forward or cross arms or contemplative hand position or foreground details, immediate terrain, minor elements like scattered pebbles, wind-blown fabric, or footprints. Lastly, atmospheric depth. Okay, for background mountains has slightly more atmospheric blur or mist. Okay. Nonetheless, artwork succeeds, sorry about that, in evoking deep introspection and solitude. Okay, so yeah, overall, that's quite a great perspective from ChatGPT, I must say. So storytelling is often in the details, how a figure is posed, how shadows like creates like a symbol of mystery or something, or how small elements in the background can add meaning. So meaning, I must say, just to let you know. And yep, that's about it. So we've explored how ChatGPT can help critique artwork in terms of composition, color harmony, and storytelling. So by using detailed prompts like these, right, this one, right over here, you can refine your creative work and gain new perspectives. And that's about it, everyone. See you all in the next video. Bye.